Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to download and install the Python software into your system. See, first open any browser that you are using. Here it is. You can search directly Python download. Python download. Then directly it will show the official website. Official website is a python.org. The downloads option it will show. Just select the first option only. Select the first option. So directly it will direct you to that page, python.org downloads page, where see that latest version for Windows directly is available. Sir, suppose if I am not using the Windows, here it is options are there, Linux, Mac and other also. See here you can get directly Windows, Mac, but directly it will show that download for Windows. Here it is a direct option. Just click on this. As soon as you click on this one, see the download started. See, it is a very small file, just 25 MB. So we need to wait until it has downloads completely. This is completely depends on your internet speed. Once download has been completed, by just click on that, we can start installation process. See here, so once the download has been completed, here it is directly by click on this, you can start, or here it is showing that option show in folder. Once you click on this folder, right, it will take you to the downloads folder. Right here, just click on this, then automatically this downloads folder open. By double click on this, you can start installation. Here it is installed now, but here it is, observe this. Add python.exe to the path is nothing but automatically it will give that information, nothing but Python path to environment variables. See, just check this. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe. All these things not required. This one is important. Just check this. Then you can start installation. Install now. Depends on the speed of your computer, speed of your processor. Downloading is completely depends on the speed of the internet. Installation process is completely depends on the speed of your processor. It will take some time for installation. See, once installation has been completed, see here, installation completed. Setup was successful. The final message it has shown. Just click on close. So then how can we open? Any icon created on the desktop? No. No icon created. So then how can we open this Python for writing programs means? Here it is in the search option. Just search for IDLE. IDLE. This is called editor, Python editor, by which we can write programs. Just click on this one. Then automatically one editor will open. Here we cannot write Python programs. This is called shell window. Look at this. This is called shell, IDLE shell. Here you can execute a simple commands and you can see outputs of the programs. Suppose if you write 10 plus 20, You can see the output. But we cannot write programs like a factorial of a given number, checking the number is prime number or not, checking the character is alphabet or not. These kind of programs you cannot write here. So then where? See, go to that file option, click on new file, then editor will open. One more editor, just put aside here side by side. This is called editor, where you can write the programs. File, save. First you have to save. This is the program where you will write. Suppose here it is, I am writing the program. A equals to 10, B equals to 20. We are just adding and printing that value. So after writing the program, you need to save that file. File, save it. Sir, where I can save? Where I can save? First, let me show you one thing. Just minimize these two. Suppose on desktop or any folder, create one folder. Here, give the folder name is a Python practice. Python practice. So everyone, you please save in this Python practice. So all files will be available. Here now, I'm saving file, save. Shortcut is Control S. Go to the desktop. On the desktop, it will show that Python practice folder. Double click on that. Inside that, you please save. But how can we save the Python file? Whatever the name you give, suppose the addition add dot extension should be py. By giving the py extension, whatever the name you can give, and here it is on my desktop in Python practice folder. I am saving. Just save it. Just save it. Now you can see that. Now you can see that folder inside that one. I mean, add, close it. So then how can we run it? How can we run it? Just run module. See, it is showing the shortcut also F5. Just click on this module. Here you can see the output. How many times you run, those many times you will get the output. See, in the left side window, it is keep on showing that one. This is the simple way of installing and opening that IDE and writing the programs and running the programs in Python. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you all.